What we're doing on this project is fixing this old deck. The first thing we did was take off the joist hangers. This is worth mentioning that anytime you notch a board, the structural strength, the deflection, and the load carrying capability becomes whatever's left over in the notch. And you can see the decking above it. If you take and rip 2-inch strips of 30-pound felt, or you can use fancier stuff, you can use Grace, ice and snow shield, what'll happen is the accumulation of debris in between the decking will keep from rotting out the deck, and that's exactly what has happened on this job here. When I started this job, I showed where all the joists were rotted from the top because no moisture barrier was put on prior to the installation of the deck. And in addition to doubling all the joists here, I added some length to the cantilever, but by doing so I had to support that, and you could do it either with posts or in this case I chose 3/16 steel and welded the triangles up to support all that.